Hi, I'm Pete, welcome back to Removal Reviews. Moving house can be stressful enough without the added nightmare of your furniture not fitting through the door. Picture this, you've lugged a heavy sofa down the hallway only to find it's too wide for the doorway, or worse, you're stuck halfway up the stairs with a wardrobe that just won't budge. Oversized furniture like sofas, dining tables, wardrobes and dressers is notorious for moving day headaches. The problem? Most homes, especially modern builds, just aren't designed with bulky furniture in mind. You could be dealing with doorways too narrow for your sofa, tight staircases with sharp turns, or low ceilings that make manoeuvring nearly impossible. The key is knowing what will fit before moving day and having a backup plan if it doesn't. So, how do we ensure that we get our furniture out of our old home and into our new one? Step 1. Measure everything. Grab a tape measure and record your furniture's height, width, depth and diagonal dimensions. Then measure your doorways, hallways and staircases along the moving path. Write everything down. Step 2. Disassemble what you can. Remove sofa legs, tabletops or bed frames. Those extra centimetres can make all the difference. Step 3. Clear the path to the removal van. Move rugs, lamps and wall decorations so you have maximum space to work with. So what if you've done all that and your sofa still won't fit? Don't panic. Here are your options. Work the angles. Sometimes standing the sofa upright and pivoting is all it takes. Compress the cushions to shave off a little width. Remove the door from its hinges for a few extra centimetres, and if all else fails, call the professionals. Movers have hoists, lifting straps and years of experience handling tricky furniture. Remember, moving oversized furniture isn't just about muscle, it's about planning, technique and knowing when to get help. Measure everything, dismantle where possible and don't be afraid to call in the professionals. That way your moving day will be smooth, safe and stress-free. To see just how cheap it is to hire professional movers, head on over to removalreviews.co.uk/quotes now. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss any of our awesome content. Happy moving. Bye.